All right, so this next assignment is called Find and Replace. A pretty simple little exercise, but it's going to teach you how to use the Find and Replace tool um, in Microsoft Word. Okay, so we're going to download the report data and we're going to save it as report 4 in your Word folder. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to use the Find and Replace tool, um, and everything, all of these symbols we're going to replace them with letters. Okay, so first we're going to replace the number sign with the letter A. So we'll find somewhere in here where we have a number sign. Okay, here in that second word, we've got a number sign. Okay. So we're going to go through, we're going to replace all of those. So we'll go to the replace tool. Here where it says find what, we'll put in the number sign and we're going to replace all of those with the letter A. We'll click replace all. So they found 24 instances where there was the number sign. Do you want to continue searching from the beginning? We'll say yes. So now it went through, and everywhere that there was a number sign, it replaced it with the letter A. So now we'll replace the dollar sign with the letter R. So it says find what? We'll put in the dollar sign. Replace what? We'll replace it with the letter R. And replace all. It found 11. Yes, we want it to change all of them. Okay, so you kind of get the idea of what we're doing here. Next, we're going to replace the percent sign with the letter E. I'll do percent sign, replace with E. Found 39 of those. Next, we'll do the AND symbol with the letter T. Next, we'll replace the letter Z with the letter N. Where this tool could be useful would be like if you were calling somebody by the wrong name or their name was spelled wrong and you spelled it wrong the whole time through a document. You could find whatever you were putting in there incorrectly and replace it with the correct spelling. Okay, we're going to replace the plus symbol with the letter S. Letter Q with the letter I. Q with the letter I. Okay, the greater symbol with the letter L. Okay, next it wants us to open the review ribbon and click spelling and grammar. Okay, so go review. Okay, here's spelling and grammar. Accept the change or reject the corrections that appear in the dialog box. So yes, we want it to check everything. Okay, so it says over here we found the name Robert. Do you want to change it? Yeah, we'll change it. We should capitalize that name. This guy's last name, Fulgham, it doesn't have any suggestions, so we'll ignore it. And it said there were no other spelling or grammar errors. Okay, make sure all sentences begin with a capital letter. Okay, so we'll select the sentence here. We'll go on our home ribbon. And in the change case button, we'll select sentence case, so it just capitalizes the first word. And we'll do that for all of these, sentence case. Okay. Make sure all words in the title are capitalized, so that will be our capitalize each word. Okay, then it says insert the copyright symbol after the title by typing parenthesis C parenthesis. Okay, so after 9 commandments, do parenthesis, the letter C, parenthesis, and it automatically puts up our copyright symbol. Then we're going to use the thesaurus to replace the underlined words with an appropriate substitute. So here in this first one, buy lemonade from any kid who is selling. We'll select the word kid. We'll go to our review tab. Come here to the thesaurus. Thesaurus will help you find a word that means the same thing. So click on thesaurus. We can pick one of these suggested words over here. We say child. If we wanted to use child, there's a drop down arrow right here, and we can just say insert, and it will replace kid with child. Okay, so we'll do the same thing here with scenic route. Let's select scenic route. I'll come here to the thesaurus, and I'll pick one of these options over here, select insert, and it will replace it. And there you go. It's as simple as that. Go ahead and save this assignment in Canvas in your Word folder and submit it for me. That was report number 4.